Hi, I'm Jordan Hallam. I'm a third-year apprentice builder from Shepparton, Victoria. With my career, I'm at a really critical stage. I'm at that stage now where I've got to develop the leadership skills so that once I gain my qualification, that I can start to take more responsibilities in my workplace, so that one day I hope to develop my own business after gaining enough experience in both leading other employees at the company, so that I can then translate that into my own business where I'm going to have employees to help me in my work.
My name's Blake McCarthy and I'm a trainee production technician with the Energy Apprenticeships group hosted to Woodside Energy. Since a young age I've always been good with working with my hands and I've enjoyed the outdoors, and I knew there was a skill shortage at the time, so getting into the trades was definitely an excellent opportunity for me, and I mean, since entering it created a strong foundation for my future. At the moment I'm working at the Pluto LNG plant in Karratha, which is in the northwest of WA. Due to complete my traineeship at the start of next year. So the first thing I'm trying to do is attain a full-time permanent position with Woodside.
I'm Lewis Lyons, I'm from Maryborough, Queensland. I'm doing a fitter and turner apprenticeship, a fourth-year apprentice at the moment, about to complete my trade. My decision to go into a trade sort-of-based career was, I realised to myself I wasn't wanting to do uni as a lifetime thing. And it had always interested me in working with my hands, and sort of having that technical expertise was something I wanted to pursue, which really got me interested in an apprenticeship.
My name is Jackson. I'm an electrical apprentice, just finishing my fourth year, and I do mainly industrial work, but I've worked in 4 different areas so far. Did fire technology, fire alarms and fire detection, did switchboard maintenance, industrial electronics. At the moment I'm doing airfield lighting. I did business and thought that wasn't right. Started computer science, and once I saw what my friends who'd done IT and where they were at the time really struggling, the industry was not a good place to be, and I thought, well, hang on, I need something which is in demand but also interesting, and something which will serve me well, and I thought this sounds like a better place to be.
My name's Kynan Milne, I'm 22, I live in Brisbane. I'm an electrician by trade. I'd say under 3 weeks off finishing my trade. I really enjoy what I'm doing and I hope to do it for a few more years at least.
My name's Tori Kasky. I started a fitting and machining apprenticeship 3 years ago, so I'm in my 4th year. I'm due to finish in July next year. The advice I would give someone at the end of school is to just look at as many different trades as possible, find out which one's suited to you, and just take all the opportunities you possibly can.
The greatest advice I like to give is not necessarily pushing someone towards a trade and saying, oh yeah, trades are great, and you're not pushing someone to uni. It's just saying it's your life, live it how you want, and make sure you're happy with what you do. You've got to get yourself out there and talk to people. You've got to network and envision what you want for yourself, and step back and think, righto, what have I got to do to achieve that?
I don't have any regrets. Every decision I've made has led to an opportunity. There were sacrifices I had to make to get where I am today, but as with a lot of things, there is sacrifices that need to be made. I'm a firm believer in sometimes it's short-term pain for long-term gain, and as with an apprenticeship, sometimes it's low wages and long working hours, but I mean, if you put in the hard yards while you're a bit younger and while your brain's still switched on quite a lot, it can make it a lot easier throughout your career, and that's definitely been the case for me.
If I had my time over again, I'd probably tell myself straight from the beginning, don't be afraid to go out there and ask everybody and gain all the knowledge that you can and be active in every opportunity that you get. I probably denied myself a couple of opportunities from the start because I didn't want to go out and sort of be recognised and have that focus on me, but it's definitely something you need to do. Any opportunity you get, you need to grasp and take control of it.
I think you kind of dip your toe in the water and test the waters. Try a few things. I wish I knew more about the trades. I kind of had a bit of a closed mind to it. And if I'd had the experience, or done a bit of work experience and seen what they've done and the lifestyle, and the hours are really good, and I would have realised that there's more to it than what I thought. And then you can always keep studying. You always have to keep learning. But I would have, 10 years before I did, I would have started a trade and been well, better prepared, but better late than never. I'm glad I've done it. I just wish I'd thought of it earlier.
I don't look back and see I've done anything wrong. It's all been a great learning experience. Everything that I've done, I've drawn from. It's all been relevant. But I could just say it's a trade, but it's also skills for life. Those 4 years were probably the greatest 4 years in their building blocks to success.